Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) bridge the digital and real worlds. Both these technologies find the greatest use in entertainment, sports or gaming, close interactive eye-to-eye communication and aided shopping experiences. Imagine sitting at home and browsing through a store in London where you can see and feel the merchandise you wish to buy. This technology is also used in education. Imagine being a live participant in a historical battle or a student of anatomy in medical school. You can really feel the battle or touch the organs. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that superimposes sounds, images and text on the real world that we can see. Images are created by developers within applications that blend in with the content in the real world. AR is used in creating an imaginary world for the purpose of entertainment and gaming. For example, 3D movies, video games, etc. Training software and people to work in real-life environments by creating a simulation of the reality. For example, flight simulators for pilots. Examples of AR experiences include Snapchat lenses and the game Pokemon Go. Disney coloring book with AR has a character in the book to color. The app uses the camera to detect the character that was colored and recreates the character in a 3D form on the screen. Google Glass, created in 2013, is an example of wearable AR interface. It helps the user remain focused on the work. It displays on the user's glass screen through a small projector. It responds to voice commands to activate an application anytime. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a technology that creates a complete virtual world that users can interact with. In this world, you can experience places as if you were actually there. While using virtual reality, the user almost always wears VR devices such as HTC Vive or Google Cardboard. These devices have eye-covering headset and headphones to completely replace the real world with a virtual one. Using VR simulator devices, surgeons can develop their surgical skills through simulation on digital patients, and architects can create a walkthrough model of their projects. Examples of AR and VR applications. Google Earth VR app lets you travel to any place on planet Earth and the Moon. IKEA Place app allows you to envision furniture in your own home by overlaying a 3D representation in your room. 𝐀𝐮𝐬𝐿 makeup app lets you virtually try on real-life cosmetics on a selfie. Matterport is a 3D media platform that allows easy creation of 360-degree video and interactive 3D walkthroughs of any real-world place.